Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Did you know that while olive oil is great for your heart, macadamia oil might just be even better for your entire body? From boosting heart health to giving you glowing skin and supporting brain function, macadamia oil has a few secrets that might surprise you. And wait till you hear our bonus tip at the end. You'll discover how this golden oil can improve not only your health, but also add a gourmet touch to your cooking. Let's dive into why macadamia oil deserves a spot in your kitchen. Dear friends, a simple request. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and let me know in the comments what other topics you would love to watch. All right, let's get started. Why macadamia oil is the new super oil. Most of us know the health benefits of olive oil, right? But few of us know that macadamia oil might actually offer even more benefits. Macadamia oil is derived from macadamia nuts, those buttery, delicious nuts native to Australia. Packed with nutrients, macadamia oil has a mild, nutty flavor that adds richness to your meals, and it's great for your body too. So, what makes macadamia oil so special? Nutrition breakdown of macadamia oil. First, let's look at what's inside macadamia oil. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, the good fats, that help lower bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. These fats can protect your heart and keep you feeling full and satisfied. It's also high in omega-7 fatty acids, a type of fat that's rare in most foods. Omega-7s support the skin, reduce inflammation, and even help control appetite. Macadamia oil also contains a good dose of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps repair skin cells and protect against UV damage. How macadamia oil benefits the body. Macadamia oil's nutrients don't just sound good, they do wonders for your body. Here's how. Benefit 1. Heart health. The high monounsaturated fat content in macadamia oil helps reduce the risk of heart disease by managing cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation. It keeps blood vessels flexible, which helps blood flow freely. Benefit 2. Skin health. Thanks to vitamin E and omega-7, macadamia oil is amazing for your skin. These nutrients keep skin hydrated, fight free radicals, and reduce the appearance of wrinkles, giving you a youthful glow. Benefit 3. Weight management. The omega-7 fatty acids in macadamia oil play a unique role in reducing hunger and helping you feel full, which can support weight management. Benefit 4. Brain health. Macadamia oil's healthy fats and vitamin E also work together to protect brain cells, keeping your memory sharp and supporting mood. How to use macadamia oil daily. One of the best things about macadamia oil is how easy it is to add to your daily diet. Here are some simple ways to start using it. For cooking. With its high smoke point, macadamia oil is perfect for frying, roasting, and sautéing. It won't break down under heat, so it keeps its nutrients intact while adding a smooth, nutty flavor to your dishes. In salads, drizzle macadamia oil over salads for a rich, satisfying taste that pairs perfectly with greens and veggies. As a skin moisturizer, macadamia oil is lightweight and absorbs easily, making it a fantastic natural moisturizer. Just a few drops can nourish and hydrate your skin without leaving a greasy feeling. Comparing olive oil and macadamia oil. Now you might be wondering, but what about olive oil? Both oils are fantastic, but here's how they stack up side by side. Monounsaturated fats. Both oils are high in monounsaturated fats, but macadamia oil has a higher amount, making it more heart-friendly. Omega-7 content. Olive oil doesn't contain omega-7, which means macadamia oil takes the lead in skin and appetite support. Smoke point. Macadamia oil has a higher smoke point than olive oil, making it more versatile for high-heat cooking without losing its nutritional value. Both oils are healthy, but for skin health, cooking flexibility, and even weight management, macadamia oil has the upper hand. Dear friends, if you want to know more about olive oil, you can watch How Just 1 Teaspoon of Olive Oil at Bedtime is the Health Game Changer in our channel, link in description, and of course, in the end screen. Let's start again. Bonus tip: the surprising benefits of mixing macadamia oil with olive oil. Here's a fun tip. Did you know that combining macadamia oil with olive oil can give you the best of both worlds? A blend of these oils can create a perfect balance of flavors and nutrients. Try mixing equal parts of macadamia and olive oil for salad dressings or cooking. You'll get olive oil's rich antioxidants, along with the omega-7 benefits of macadamia oil. Have you tried macadamia oil before? Let us know in the comments how you like to use it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.